The whole purpose of an exfoliant is to remove that top layer of skin. It's a little duller, it's a little scratchy like an old person's. I mean, we are old, but does our skin have to look like it? Absolutely not. Whether you're doing a chemical or a physical, it's going to remove just that top layer of dead skin, revealing newer, softer, smoother, glowinger skin. Then we've got DermaE, which is one of my all-time favorite exfoliant polish choice. I'm gonna bring in some footage of me trying both of these on different cheeks and the next day so you can see the difference. A little bit of tingling. I love the tingling. Yeah, spilled it everywhere. This one's very liquidy. Also tingling. Ooh, love it. Both sides tingled some. I'll put this on the back of this hand so it'll be the opposite. Always put your skincare on the back of your hand. Always, always, always. And we'll put a little bit of this on this hand. More lotiony, but also quite a bit thicker. Toodaloo! See you in the morning. We did the DermaE on this side, and we did the Polish Choice on this side, and there's a drastic difference this morning. The DermaE is still moisturized. You can still feel that it's not dry. It's moisturized. You know, I moisturized my face before I went to bed, and this side stayed. This side is completely dry. And as far as how they feel, they both feel. My forehead is just smooth. There's, you know, you don't feel the bumpiness, the dry skin. It's all the dry skin is gone. But it's just so strange. Almost so much that it would be called sticky. This side is sticky, but what it really is moisturized. But it feels somewhat sticky in comparison to where it feels completely dry, like I did nothing to this side of my face. Yeah, that's actually really cool. So just a completely different kind of product is going to give completely different kind of results. And I didn't even notice that in the past, that this one left me feeling more moisturized. How about that?